Okay. Alright. Mic check 1 2 1 2. What is up, y'all? It is Flacco, and we're going to be unboxing a pair of shoes that I bought off of Instagram. I'm actually really excited that I got these. I'm gonna unbox it and show you what they are. And then I gotta find the account that I bought it from. Let's just unbox it. Sometimes you get a little iffy when you buy from like small brands, but you just gotta take that. You just gotta take that like leap of faith and see. And I just knew that I was gonna like these. In my heart, I felt like I was really gonna like these, so that's why I got them. I think I really like these. This box is pretty dope though. These are going to be the OM New York Octavius Marks. He has made some fishbone clogs, and when I say this box is like legit, it's legit. It has some pretty cool stuff on there. And on the front, it says a ship in the harbor is safe, but that's not what ships are built for. With being handmade, each and every pair are going to look different. And across the box, it's also going to have the Octavius Marks on there. So that's his fish bones, but the front of the box is really cool. There's a size chart on there as well. Let's just go ahead and open these up. I'm a little nervous because I don't know what my reaction is actually gonna be with these shoes, slides, whatever we want to call them. But let's just do it. And this has a new shoe smell, so we might be on to something. Ooh-wee. These is fire. These are actually really fire. These look better in person than what they look like on the website. It's like a fire that's on there. I thought these were gonna have imprinted in it, but maybe I was just overthinking it. I like to throw on slides. So if I can just throw these slides on and still style a fit to the point where it's fire, I think that this is gonna be, that's pretty much amazing. This is what it looks like. And it looks similar, it looks very similar to a Birkenstock. Like a lot of people are like, oh, these are Birkenstocks. Not necessarily, they have the same clog feel, but these are Octavius Mark shoes. And boom, oh, these are fire. Even on the bottom, you'll see that it has his name marks on there. So he hit us with, he put some time and some thought into this shoe. It wasn't something that was just like, all right, cool, I'm gonna make this and I'm gonna sell it. He actually put some time and some thought into it. Even on the tab itself, it says Octavius Marks. This colorway is crazy because this is simple, subtle, and honestly, I like subtle tones. I like nudes, browns, things like that. And I'm happy that I got this one. This shoe is fire. This shoe itself this is dope. Like, I'm happy I made this. I'm happy that I seen this business and I was able to support it and buy this shoe. And then on the foot, you'll see that on the sole, you'll see that it says like 7-8, but it has his initials in there, OM. I gotta look at the other shoe and see if the other shoe says Octavius on the bottom. And it does. I didn't think it was gonna fit, but it's on there. I guess they ended up painted the front of the shoe, like they painted the fire on there. It's pretty dope. But he also does have Octavius on the bottom of it. So one says Octavius and the other one says Mark. You can't tell me this wasn't a bad decision. Like they were 110. Yeah, they were 110 with taxes, maybe looking at 121, something like that. No, like 136 with shipping and everything. I think this was a great option. Let me try them on and see how they feel. Ooh, I'm happy I got a 7-8. These kind of run big. Oh, but they are comfortable. Oh, bro. He did his thing with these. Look at that. Boom. And he has his name on this tab on both of the shoes at the bottom. That's crazy. That's actually really great. That's improvised like hell, but that was a great idea for him to do that. These shoes are hard. From the packaging to the actual shoe itself, these shoes, these slides, these are a game changer.